2023 Bebe show. We out here at the ranch. Sugar Man on that. You already know Stank. If y'all ain't already subscribed to my boy Stank channel, go subscribe to my boy so when them videos drop, they popping in. Comment, show your boy some love. Show your boy Sugar Man on that some love. Follow me. We lit at the car show, and we trying to bring y'all the latest content out here. Y'all ain't gotta be here today because we here. All y'all gotta do is get the TV on and check us out. We finna cut up, and I might spin a Chevy before it's over with today.
Okay.
They let me, I might spin a Chevy. I might turn the show up today. It's fourth quarter. You already know we going up, man. We finna get out in the sun, shorty. It's 100 on the dashboard. You see, I got the ice on my phone, shorty. I'm trying to calm this gun all the way down, shorty. So when we get out, we can go and turn up about 20. We gotta get back in the coolers after that.
I'm my mama.
Y'all gonna turn us up, man. You know the vibe.
All right. It do get. That boy got that motor. Hey, and they be out there. They be out there too.
Yeah, oh yeah,
Yeah.
Let's load this banshee up real quick. Testing and tuning on the T-Rex, y'all. I'm talking about. It's gonna be right in a second, but in the meantime, you can still get it at the red light. Who I be? Sugar Man on that. Subscribe all platforms. Fuck the time about gang.
Yes, sir.
It do get crazy.
It do get crazy, gang. Look, hey, we finna get on this highway, Stank.
Meet me over there.
All right, bet. Look, I need y'all to. Hey, Stank, I need you, bro. I need you to get. It do get crazy when Take Laws need Stank to get a good video of me riding on the highway.
Okay.
You got me?
Yes, sir.
Say less. If I ain't got a good video of me riding on the highway, I want y'all to get in Stank videos and get on this comment.
got quiet over there. He got quiet over there, man. He came through when he thought it wouldn't start. He came. It do get crazy when he got quiet. What happened to him? What'd he say?
He said you ain't turning this shit up.
Oh,
You ain't turning
okay.
this shit up.
Yeah, we do that. But he was just doing it right there. There, we get active.